This guy has made $1.3 million from this one YouTube channel, and he is still making $10,000 a month without paying thousands of dollars to video editors or freelancers. Now, let me take you back to the start of the story. Max started this video game channel 15 years ago when he was a broke kid. He usually used to get a couple hundred views on his videos. He was simply doing what other competitors were doing, just playing the game and uploading it. So this brookie was finding ways to get more views. Max was frustrated and got depressed. He had no money to get gadgets or pay hundreds of dollars like big competitors do. But then while he was deep in thought, he got an idea. A fresh idea to go another route. Unlike other channels that show themselves playing the game, he thought of ways to spice things up. He realized that if he kept making random videos, he would never get views. He learned that first he should find what topics have demand and people are looking for, and then he should make the videos on that topic. So he started showing how to use certain features in the game. And guess how many views he got? His video went viral, getting a massive 263,000 views. To clear all doubt if it was luck and would he even get the same views on other videos, so he uploaded another video about GTA 5 Remastered. And guess what? The amount of traffic was crazy. The video got over 600,000 views. After that video, he uploaded another GTA Remastered video which changed his life, getting him 5 million views, far exceeding the views of his previous videos. He already got monetized. The hype was insane. It was rare to find a channel like this. People didn't realize they could find these high-quality guides on GTA so they could play better. He kept making videos like this. After he made thousands of dollars from this channel, he hired an editor and thumbnail designer as well, which boosted his growth. Till now, this channel has got 260 million views, and if we assume $5 or PM, he had made $1.3 million from this single YouTube channel, excluding the sponsors, which is insane. I searched through YouTube, and there is still less competition in this niche. GTA 6 still has a year to be released, and this is the best time to start in this niche. But let me tell you, in reality, you are probably going to fail getting 200 views like these channels in this same niche, because they don't know the exact strategies and knowledge on how to grow in this niche like this channel used, and the person who knows these strategies is me. And this is where our coaching program comes in. I will solve all your queries in real-time, one-to-one chat, and you will get access to our exclusive YouTube automation course where all the info is latest. Click the link in description to start.